it's Brittany Bear Makeup here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to show you guys 4 of my all-time favorite hacks. So I cannot wait to show you guys how to create these hacks using products you find in your own home all around you every day. So make sure you guys turn on my post notifications so you can be a part of my bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching as I show you guys some pretty amazing hacks.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Thank you so much for watching today's hacks video. I hope all of you guys learned some fun tricks and tips on how to create some of your own makeup products in your very own home using products that you probably have just laying around your house. I'm so happy to be able to share with you guys my top 4 hacks. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye guys!